Yulinka. And the BB Choice Award goes to Blue Anthony Sigar to accept the award on behalf of his goes to Christian Martinez.
First of all, maraming salamat sa VP Choice Award for this recognition. I'm so honored and grateful. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko ma-achieve ito.
To Charlotte Dance Craze with Colette Madelo and Jared Garcia.
Charlotte.
Parang ayaw mong salita ni Colette, so... But, this is the first ever award I've received in the Philippines and in the showbiz industry, and I'm so grateful that I'm so glad that I'm able to share this experience with Colette, who I was in PBB House with, and I want to say a big thank you to the EP Choice Awards for the recognition, and I want to say thank you to all the fans who voted for the Charlotte dance and to everybody who participated in the Charlotte dance.
And this is our first time. Thank you so much, everyone. And maraming salamat din kay Direk Lauren and also kay Mama Joy sa mga RMs na mga...
Congrats to G22 VP Spotlight of the Year. Congrats Jasmine Henry. Ayan, AJ and Althea.
Erin Santos and Shanti.
Excuse me lang, sorry po. Congrats sa award mo, Miss Glenda. Best cover, no, of Village People.
Dami ng mga feedback, testimonies, and mga clients na even up to now, binabalik-balikan pa rin siya. Thank you so much, VP Choice Award, for this wonderful recognition. Sa buong Lux Beauty and Wellness team, to all the Luxers, at sa lahat ng naniniwala sa Lux Live, thank you so much.
Ayan, kasama ko ulit si Myrtle, the new time zone. Lagi nag-live stream, ang daming games. Memorize mo balat ng games na pinocover mo?
Kanina naglalaro ako bago ako pumunta dito. Actually, kaya din ako medyo na-late kasi naglalaro pa ako.
Okay lang, wala pa yung ano mo, wala pa yung portion. Congrats, Myrtle.
Award na to. It's my second award tonight. And para sa inyong lahat to, I see familiar faces, mga endorsers and influencers ng Brilliant Skin Essentials. And sa mga users namin dito, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagtitiwala at pagtangkilik sa Brilliant Skin Essentials. Thank you.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat, magandang gabi. First and foremost, I just want to say you all look very lovely tonight and I'm just so happy to be here. And of course, I want to start this off by thanking the man above, the God who's been guiding me, and to of course VP Choice Awards for this acknowledgement and this award of Best Daytime Actor of the Year for Shining Inheritance. Shining Inheritance is a special project for me. It's one of my big breaks in GMA, and I'm just so thankful to my management, Cornerstone, Sparkle, and to the network GMA for entrusting me with this big project. Maraming salamat po. And to everybody who's believing in me and supporting me, thank you so much. You know, this award is just another reminder to keep adding fuel to the fire, to motivate myself, to dedicate my life to this craft, and only to become better every day. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy the rest.
Congrats Mike's award mo.
Thank you po, I
Yan.
appreciate it.
Anong teleserye ba yan? Saan ang movie?
Shining Inheritance.
Yan. Palabas pa? You can watch it sa
Yes, it's on YouTube, on GMA Network po. You can watch it.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Tara.
My stylist, Kuya Ryan, thank you for always making me look good. My parents, my dad is here with me today. Thank you. I love you for always being endlessly supportive. And of course, love you.
Congrats sa award
so
mo. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Congrats ulit kay Bricks, no?
Yes bro.
And anong napanalo mo? TikTok? Ano?
TikTok Star of the Year.
Wow. Akalaban mo mga malulupit din, no?
Yes bro.
So nagulat ka ba na nanalo ka or alam mo nang mananalo ka today?
Nagulat po. Paano? Ganon sabi ko.
Sige, thank you.
For this recognition, and this recognition being named as Be a Love Team of Lord, thank you for your leadership. Thank you opening.
Kahit pabilis ang interview, kahit less than 5 minutes lang.
Ayaw nga. 5 seconds na ayaw eh.
Of course, first and foremost, maraming salamat po to Village People, VP Choice Awards for this recognition. At sa lahat po ng mga bumoto, the Darrenatics, I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat. And to the people who believe...
Congrats, Darren! Happy Rich TV here. Kamusta yung, ang dami niyong awards panalo, Hakot Awards. Anong feeling?
Yeah, super saya.
Award for Courier of the Year goes to
Sa band, especially sa fandom namin.
Flash Express.
Yung fandom of the
guys.
year.
Congrats.
Yung fandom of the year, para sa inyo talaga yan, hindi para sa amin. Congrats.
Congrats again. Thank you.
Awards for this incredible honor. This is maraming salamat po. I share this award to my team Kimpoy, my Kimpoy's family who's always been there for me since day one.
And the VP choice goes to...
That's all.
Hi everyone, I would like to thank once again VP Choice Awards for this award. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo for this. Many times when I was streaming, I actually thought of quitting. Pero naniniwala talaga ako that in God's time, we will always be blessed. And through hard work, you would always be appreciated. Sa lahat na bumoto sa akin, lalo-lalo na sa mga viewers ko sa aking stream, thank you very much po sa inyo lahat. I would have not received this award if not for you all. Kaya maraming salamat for voting me as your favorite online streamer.
Transitions ko. I also want to thank yung mga viewers ko and yung mga supporters ko for always voting and supporting me for these last so many years na nagka-cosplay ko. And I didn't expect to win this Hall of Fame award. I'm very grateful. Thank you again very much.
Congratulations, Martel! Congrats!
Hazel Lee and Caleb